Hi, I'm attorney Eric Lewis with Lewis Legal Services in Indianapolis. One of the things I hear people say all the time is that they don't have any assets. And in bankruptcy, there's a limitation on the value in assets that people can keep. When a lawyer mentions this, a very common response is, well, I don't have any assets, so there's nothing to worry about. But here's the thing. You have assets. You have clothing, you own furnishings or electronics, you have a cell phone. You have some assets. The real question is not whether you have assets or not. Rather, it's whether you have any non-exempt assets. In bankruptcy, a non-exempt asset is money or property that is not exempt under law and that might have value, where a bankruptcy trustee might be able to take it and sell it to get something to distribute to your creditors in your bankruptcy proceeding. The one thing I see often is that people don't realize that you don't know what you don't know. And that's true, right? That's why you hire a lawyer for bankruptcy, to make sure you're covering everything. Did you know that there are a lot of assets that you might not even have yet, but they're still considered yours? For example, your tax refund that you receive next year is an asset. If you have reason to sue someone, a claim, insurance proceeds coming your way, those are assets. Did you know that money you paid to a family member to pay back a debt to them within a year of you filing bankruptcy, looking back a year from the date that you filed bankruptcy, that's potentially an asset? Yes, that's right. Money you no longer have can be an asset. If you inherit money within 180 days of filing bankruptcy, that's an asset. And that one doesn't mean that you got paid the money. It just means that in the event that somebody died and you got the right to receive the money due to that inheritance, either before you filed bankruptcy or within 180 days of filing, that's an asset, and one that could particularly be liquidated for the benefit of your creditors. And there are bankruptcy cases that stay open for literally months, sometimes years, to finalize the administration of assets. It doesn't hold up your discharge, which stops the collection of debt, but a case can remain open long enough while the trustee waits to get those assets and distributes them to creditors. So before you say, I don't have any assets, check with an experienced bankruptcy attorney first to see what that really means. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.